Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic kitchen gadget that's perfect for anyone who loves ice-cold beverages. We found this countertop ice maker online and have included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. Introducing the Countertop Ice Maker Machine, a portable unit that produces an impressive 26 pounds of ice in just 24 hours. This compact ice maker is designed for convenience, making it a great addition to your home, kitchen, RV, or office. It features a sleek black exterior with a clear viewing window, allowing you to monitor the ice-making process without opening the lid. One of the standout features of this ice maker is its fast ice production. In just 6 to 8 minutes, you can have a fresh batch of ice ready to go. Whether you're hosting a party, enjoying a picnic, or just want to keep your drinks chilled, this machine ensures you'll never run out of ice. It can produce 9 ice cubes at a time, making it perfect for quick refreshment. Another notable feature is the self-cleaning function, which is built right into the machine. This ensures that you always have fresh-tasting ice without the hassle of manual cleaning. The auto-cleaning cycle helps maintain hygiene, so you can enjoy your beverages with peace of mind. Operating this ice maker is a breeze, thanks to the touch button control panel. It comes equipped with indicator lights that notify you when the ice is full, when you need to refill the water, and when the machine is powered on. This user-friendly design means you can easily manage the ice-making process without any complicated instructions. The portability of this ice maker is another significant advantage. Its lightweight construction and carrying handle mean you can take it anywhere, whether it's to your kitchen countertop, a camping trip, or even a tailgate party. Plus, it requires no installation or permanent waterline connection, making it incredibly easy to set up and use. So who is this countertop ice maker suitable for? If you're a frequent entertainer, a busy family, or someone who enjoys outdoor activities, this ice maker is ideal for you. It's also perfect for small spaces like apartments and offices where traditional ice makers might not fit. In practical terms, you can use this machine for a variety of occasions. From filling